How to install WhatsApp on PC. So first, you just have to go to the search icon, go to your Microsoft Store, tap this one or click open. And then here, you just have to go to the search icon again, and then look for WhatsApp. Okay. So there are tons of WhatsApp applications, but you just have to select this one here. Tap this and then click get. Now you have to wait for maybe a couple of seconds or minutes. It depends on how strong your internet connection is and your storage. Okay, so you have to wait for that. And then once done, you can now click open. And then here, what you're going to do is to click get started. Tap this one here. And then you have to set up WhatsApp on your computer now. So all you have to do is to get your phone, open WhatsApp on your phone, go to settings, okay, and then tap your profile. Now go to menu and then tap settings again. Tap link device. Now point your phone to the screen to capture this QR code. Okay, so make sure that your camera is clear or your camera is functioning. Okay, and then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.